Good morning, students. Today we will discuss our new book, Democratic Politics or Civics. In this, the first chapter is of power sharing. Now, with the name of the title of the chapter is power sharing, so you must have a basic idea about that. We are going to discuss the topic sharing of the power. Means when we are discussing the term democracy as a government, democratic system of the government, a system which is followed by some government in the country. So what are the basic features? So firstly, we will discuss the stories, then automatically some ideas you will get. You will take out the you can say you can distinguish between the term democracy and non-democracy, means democratic or non-democratic government. But don't think like we are discussing the last year's chapters as we discuss the features of their. No, this is very much different from the previous one. Here certainly we will discuss the stories, then problem, then we will come up with the you can say better decision making qualities of the government. So let's begin. Belgium and Sri Lanka. So here, children, you have to just have the knowledge of map. So read the map, take atlas, and see atlas where these countries are lying. Sri Lanka, everyone knows it's a neighboring island country of India, but Belgium is in a European country, and you will get. Last year you read France, so in the Western Europe, you will get this country. So just try to find out in the map of world. Let's begin. Belgium is a small country in Europe, smaller in area than state of Haryana. Means if we compare Belgium, it is very small country because our Haryana is bigger than that one. It has the border of France. France, you know, Netherlands, you know, they are the neighboring country, Germany. Last year we read, then Luxembourg. These are the neighboring country of Belgium. It has population of little over 1 crore. See, very less population because in our states, means many states we have, you can say more than crore people are living. Like when we talk about Uttar Pradesh, more than 19-20 crore people we have in our country, 21 crore people we have in Uttar Pradesh, and we are talking about rest of the states, so they are very bigger. So see that how small countries that, and only that the population is below than 1 crore. About half of the population of Haryana, means Haryana, whatever the population is Haryana having, the half population is residing in Belgium. So basically the comparison has taken from Haryana to Belgium. The ethnic composition of this small country. This word last year also you read when we discussed democratic and non-democratic country, in especially the case of Batisha, when we discussed that the couple who are living in Albania. So remember that story. The ethnic means uh, a social division based on shared culture. Ethnic means when people shared, or the country or the area is divided, or it has the division on the shared culture, means different kind of people can be there, like on the basis of race. Race means color complexion. Then their culture. Culture means celebration of festivals and festivities will be different from each other. Then language. These basic the points that we call that ethnic composition of small country is a very complex. Of the country's total population, 59% lives in the Flemish region and speak Dutch. Now this composition you have to learn. 59% people Flemish region speak Dutch, means they are Dutch speaker. Dutch speaker. Then another 40%, are of Wallonia region, speak French, means 59 are speaking Dutch, 59 are speaking Dutch, and 40% are speaking French. Now, and they are living in Wallonia region and speak French, remaining 1%, means 40, 59, 1% on left is, so they are of German. Means suppose this is pie chart and when we are making, so only 1% is of German, then 60% is of, means 59% is of Dutch, and 49% is of French. So three languages are mean Dutch, French and German. But the question does not finish here. We'll see another big problem, that is in capital, means the Belgium country is having the capital Brussels. Brussels the capital, and 80% of people speak French and 20% of speaking Dutch. Means in Brussels, 80% people are, that is French speaker, which are less in the country, and 20% are Dutch speaker. It's very, very contradictory. So try to understand. Means 80% people, the population of the you can say speaker which are more in the country, they are less in the capital, which are less in the capital, they are more in the country. So this contradiction you can understand, and this was the main reason of the conflict. Means we are going here that such complicated situation happened in the country, so what will be the result of it? This is the question to be think. Next, in the next video we'll discuss, because the video will be lengthy otherwise.